everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. This week we're talking about CMMC Control MA.L2-3.7.1. I bet you didn't guess it would be about that, did you, from the description? All right, we're going to perform maintenance on organizational systems. Why do they even have a control about this? So hey, if you're a defense contractor who's feeling overwhelmed, tired, and alone, trying to understand all this CMMC, DFARS, and NIST SP 800-171 compliance stuff on top of an already colossal workload, well, I've got great news for you. You found your home here at On-Call Compliance Solutions, where we can help you transform into your company's on-call compliance hero. Just bolt on that cape and let's go, baby. Let's talk about it. All right, blinding flash the obvious here. Watch out. Yes, you are required to perform proper maintenance on your systems. I feel silly even saying it, but that's what they made Facebook memes for. And they had to make this dummy proof, so they made an entire control just for this. My friends, if you're not aware, another major massive black hole of cyber attack vectors comes from software that is just not properly updated. Okay, so very seriously here, I know I make a lot of jokes. If you don't believe me, just go Google SolarWinds attack, and that one was only an update that was 3 months behind. Okay, keeping your systems up to date is not something you should be doing manually. You should be doing it in an automated fashion, and ultimately at the end of the day, it's all about just making sure that your systems are properly patched and up to date, especially when it comes to critical security patches. So let's see what the assessors are looking for on this one. Fortunately, they're not looking for much. Determine if system maintenance is performed, right? So basically, an assessor is going to look at your system, probably over your shoulder, and they're going to check to see whether or not the maintenance is actually done. Lots and lots and lots of ways to do that. You can do it through a patch management system. You can do it through Windows SCCM. You can do it through a million different things, and of course, it depends on how your system is set up. But again, insert your answer here, but ultimately, it's going to say X, Y, Z is where you're going to go look for the evidence that things are all up to date. Now, I will tell you this, at On-Call, we work with defense contractors just like you who have had this DFARS, NIST, ITAR, and CMMC compliance stuff dropped in their laps like a seagull on a sunny day, or like a Windows update patch on a Tuesday night that only takes 3 hours to reboot from. Yes, and we teach you how to level up and be a proper on-call compliance hero for your company, eliminating gaps, gray areas, and getting this solved, all while showing you how to leverage compliance as your secret weapon to land more defense work with higher profit margins. Now, that's what we're all about here, baby. All right, that's what we do here at On-Call Compliance. And you can come along with us and be an on-call compliance hero too. How do you do it? Check out CMMCComplianceSecrets.com or check out the bio below for links to get help right now. And if you love the content we're putting out here for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, smash the subscribe button to get the latest compliance content as soon as our compliance nerds roll it out. Until next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there, and hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance. And I'll see you on the next one.